This was a bold claim, pushing against strict materialism in neuroscience. Sir John Eccles was a pioneering neuroscientist whose groundbreaking research on synaptic neurotransmission earned him the Nobel Prize in Physiology and Medicine in 1963. His experiments illuminated how neurons communicate across synapses using chemical messengers, a discovery that firmly grounded the study of the brain in biology. But Eccles was not content to stop at biology alone. Despite his role in mapping the physical basis of neural communication, he came to believe that the mind could not be fully and solely explained in terms of material processes. In his later work, particularly in collaboration with Karl Popper in The Self and Its Brain, Eccles argued that he argued for a form of dualistic interactionism. He proposed that the mind and the brain are distinct but interrelated realities. For Eccles, conscious intentions, our thoughts, decisions, and acts of will, are not simply the byproduct of neuronal activity. Instead, he suggested that the mind can influence the brain, guiding probabilities of neuronal firing patterns in ways that are not reducible to physical causation alone. This was a bold claim, pushing against strict materialism in neuroscience. Eccles' stance is controversial but is also profound. By insisting that the mind is not identical to the brain, he opened a space for consciousness to be seen as an active participant in shaping neural events rather than a passive reflection of them. His work bridges rigorous neuroscience with a philosophical openness to immaterial aspects of reality, keeping alive the possibility that our inner lives have genuine causal power. In the larger context of consciousness beyond the brain, Eccles adds scientific weight to the idea that the mind cannot be fully contained within the confines of biology.